Hello friends, welcome to my channel Simply Suman. This year on Diwali we don't celebrate with our friends because of pandemic, but we can show our love and affection to our loved ones. Just made these beautiful handmade chocolates and make a hamper and gift them so that they know that we love. So today we are making chocolates using dark chocolate, Oreo biscuits, berries and these jelly bellies. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So first of all, I'm using Handmade brand dark compound. Let's cut it, and this is 500 grams of pack, and we are using around 300 grams of dark chocolate. Let's chop it in small pieces, and we are going to melt these chocolate pieces in microwave. You can use double boiler method. So first let it melt on for 30 seconds, then bring it out, mix well, again put it in microwave for 30 seconds. This is how it looks after 1 minute. So again mix and put. So after 1 minute and 30 seconds, it's almost done. Mix it for 2-3 minutes so that it becomes glossy. And now test the temperature. Just put it a drop like this on our hand, and if it's bearable, it's warm, we can use it for molding. So I have taken this small bar size mold. You can use any mold of your choice. These are silicone molds. So now I am pouring melted chocolate. Now fill these molds and tap it like this and set it on counter table. Now let's make soft centered chocolates. For this we are using these soft jelly bellies. I bring these from market. Just do it like this. Cut these pieces according to the size of your mold. Okay, now our jellies are ready. Now take a cavity. I have taken heart-shaped mold. Just make a cavities. First fill these cavities full with this dark chocolate compound, and now we are going to set it for 2 to 3 minutes and then empty it back so that we can get a nice cavity. Oops, I missed the video clipping, so sorry for that. Now clean the mold, remove the extra chocolate. Now set it for 2 to 3 minutes on counter table. After 2 to 3 minutes, just put one piece of jelly belly in every cavity so that we get nice chewy soft centered chocolate. Now fill the gap with dark chocolate like this. These taste really amazing. I am using lychee flavor. You can use pineapple, strawberry. Now tap it like this to remove any air bubble and set it on counter table. Now third type, Oreo chocolates. So take a Oreo biscuit and dip it in melted chocolate like this, and using a fork and a spoon, just put like this on a parchment paper or the butter paper, and just put it like this. And these Oreo biscuits, the Oreo chocolates, taste really amazing. The kids and the adults both like it very much. So remove extra chocolate and put it on this. It will set. Now use sprinklers to decorate it. You can use any kind of decorations you want or you like. Right now I have these sprinklers. Now set on counter table. Now the fourth type of chocolate, Berrilicious chocolate. In this I am using mixed berries and putting 2 to 3 according to the size of the berries, putting on in the cavities like this. Now fill these cavities with the melted chocolate. These berries are very tasty and tangy flavor. The tangy flavor goes really well with chocolate, and these berries are rich in antioxidants, so it's really very helpful or healthy also. So tap it like this, and now our chocolates are ready. It's all set. Remove them from the molds. In winters, chocolate sets very easily on a room temperature. You don't have to put these in freeze. So our third one, jelly bellies, heart shape. Look how nice, how glossy are these, shiny. So some of the chocolates have the extra chocolate on just because of molds. So remove that chocolate using a knife very gently so that we get clean and beautiful chocolates. This is our fourth one, berry chocolates. So remove the extra chocolate like this to make it even more beautiful, more tempting. So beautiful chocolates and so tasty, and of course these are handmade. Oh wow, looking so great. So you can make it at your home very easily, and you can have or you can gift to yourself to your loved ones. Now wrap it in a foil paper. You can get these foil papers or wrapping papers in your bakery shop. Just wrap it like this, and now you can store these in a airtight container for 15 to 20 days, or if it's cold you can store them for 1 month or 2 very easily. So I'm using this foil paper. See how easy to wrap these chocolates using foil paper. So beautiful. For the Oreo biscuits or the bigger chocolates, I'm using cling wrap so that you can see through what kind of chocolate is packed inside this cling wrap. This also looks really very good. So wrap it like this Wow, lovely. So wrap every chocolate piece using cling wrapper or make it a hamper like this. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel.